Did you know that poor indoor air quality can have a serious consequence in data centers, UPS rooms, and server rooms? Employees working in these environments are at risk of exposure to airborne contaminants such as dust, molds, bacteria, and viruses, which can lead to respiratory health issues such as allergies, asthma, and bronchitis. These airborne contaminants can circulate in the air and cause harm to the workers who breathe them in. Poor indoor air quality can also lead to decreased productivity and cognitive performance in employees, making it harder to get the work done. Additionally, airborne contaminants can cause equipment failures, which can result in costly downtime and repairs.
Hello and welcome. My name is Yogesh and I specialize in HVAC and have been into the field for past more than 25 years and executed a number of projects. And in today's video, we are going to discuss about the risk of poor indoor air quality in UPS rooms, data centers, and server rooms, and their bad effects on human occupancy. So kindly stay with us till the end of the video. Let's begin with this informative topic.
Electronic circuits installed in these equipments get heated up and release certain harmful gases like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and various volatile organic compounds, also called as VOCs. Material composition of electronic circuits normally is of metals such as copper, tin, or lead, and they can release metal fumes and oxides which can be toxic if inhaled. Moreover, as the circuits contain components such as capacitors, batteries, or transformers, they may release gases such as hydrogen, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen oxide. Costly medical equipments like CT scan machines and MRI machines also use a lot of complicated electronic circuits which also emit these highly toxic poisonous gases which are harmful to equipments and human occupants. So, what is the solution? What can you do to protect your employees and equipments from these toxic poisonous gases?
Consider investing in a gas phase filtration system. The gas phase filtration system removes the gaseous contaminants and improves the indoor air quality, which helps to protect your equipments and human occupancy.
Gas phase filtration system is also used in many industries like chemical manufacturing to remove corrosive and toxic gases, in pharmaceutical manufacturing to remove airborne contaminants, and to maintain a clean air quality. In semiconductor manufacturing, it is used to remove corrosive gases such as sulfur and chlorine, which can damage semiconductor manufacturing equipments. Food and beverage processing. It is used to remove unpleasant odors and gases such as ethylene that are produced during the ripening of the fruits and vegetables. In healthcare facilities, it is used to remove airborne contaminants such as viruses and bacteria. In healthcare facilities, to prevent the spread of infection. In aerospace industry, gas phase filtration is used to remove hazardous fumes and vapors generated during the production, maintenance, and repair of aircrafts. Nuclear power plants. In nuclear power plants, gas phase filtration is used to remove radioactive gases such as iodine and caesium that may be released during the normal operation or in the event of an accident. These are just a few examples of industries where gas phase filtration systems are used. But generally, any industry where air quality is important may use gas phase filtration to control gaseous pollutants.
So don't wait before it's too late. Start improving your indoor air quality in your UPS centers, server rooms and data centers, and all those industries where indoor air quality is of prime importance and may use the gas phase filtration systems. So I thank you for seeing my video until the end. And if you have any queries related to gas phase filtration systems or HVAC system, please get in touch with me on this number, or even you can email me. So I wish you best of luck and see you.